Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to showing you how you can fix FaceTime screen sharing is not working on your iPhone device. If you're facing problem while sharing screen on FaceTime, then in this video I will tell you the possible solutions how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here you will have to make sure that both devices are compatible with the FaceTime. Here you'll have to make sure that you and your pair device is compatible with the Face device, and the operating system iOS are also compatible with the FaceTime. After making sure that your devices are compatible with the FaceTime, then after that here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you'll have to scroll it below and search for FaceTime. So here is FaceTime. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then here you have to tap on incoming calls. Here you'll have to select full screen and then go back, and from here you'll have to tap on announced calls. Here you'll have to select always, then close this tab, and here you'll have to turn on the toggle FaceTime from here. Then from here you'll have to make sure that your number is from here is checked from here. Then after that, go back and check that your problem fixed or not. If you are facing still this problem, then you'll have to again close this tab. Then here you will need to open App Store. Then in search bar you will have to search for FaceTime. Then tap on search. After that, here you'll have to make sure that you are using an updated version of FaceTime. If here is any update available of FaceTime, then you'll have to update it to the latest version and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you'll have to again open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you'll have to scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update it to the latest version iOS 17.1. If you are using an updated version of iOS and still you are facing this problem, then you will have to again open setting of your iPhone device, then tap on general. Then here you will have to scroll it below, and here you will have to shut down your device and turn it on after 1 minute and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to tap on general, scroll it below, tap on VPN and device management, and here you will need to make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with that VPN and try again later. And if you are having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting, then tap on general, and then here you will have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you will have to tap on reset and tap on reset network setting, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to tap on reset all settings from here. Here you will need to enter your iPhone passcode, and you will have to reset all settings of your iPhone device. Hopefully after all these settings your problem will be fixed and your screen sharing problem on FaceTime will be solved. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to contact with Apple support and let them know about your problem. They will solve your problem within 24 hours. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.